Welcome to QuizzyBits. Get ready for a Mega 38 question quiz challenge. We have picture questions, emoji puzzles, general knowledge, word scrambles, and true-false questions. You will get time to think before the answer appears. Let's begin. Let's start round one, the picture-based question. Which country's flag is this? The answer is Japan. Identify the landmark shown in the picture. The answer is the Eiffel Tower. Which animal is shown in this picture? The answer is panda. Identify the logo. The answer is Nike. Which country's map outline is shown? The answer is India. Guess the fruit. The answer is pineapple. Which famous building is this? The answer is Burj Khalifa. Identify the cartoon character. The answer is Mickey Mouse. Guess the vehicle type. The answer is helicopter. Which ocean is shown in the image? The answer is Pacific Ocean. Get ready for the round two, Emoji Quiz Challenge. Look at the emojis and guess the correct answer. Let's begin. What country do these emojis represent? A flag of red and white and a bread baguette. What country is it? The answer is France. Guess the movie from these emojis. A film clapper and a dinosaur. Which movie is it? The correct answer is Jurassic Park. Guess the book from these emojis. A snake and a blue book. Which famous story does this represent? The answer is The Jungle Book. What sport is shown by these emojis? A stadium and a football. Which sport is this? The correct answer is football. Guess the natural phenomenon shown here. A volcano and a tropical island. What does it mean? The answer is volcano. Which animal is represented by these emojis? An animal face and bamboo. What animal is it? The answer is panda. Guess the country using these food emojis. A slice of pizza and the flag of green, white, and red. Which country is it? The correct answer is Italy. Guess the science term from these emojis. A test tube and lightning. What scientific process is this? The answer is chemical reaction. Guess the brand from these emojis. A red apple and a smartphone. Which brand is this? The correct answer is Apple. Great job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quizzes every day. Get ready for the round 3, General Knowledge Challenge. Let's begin. What is the capital of Australia? The answer is Canberra. How many continents are there in the world? The answer is 7. Who wrote the Harry Potter series? The answer is J.K. Rowling. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? The answer is Mars. Who invented the light bulb? The answer is Thomas Edison. In which year did World War II end? The answer is 1945. What gas do plants release during photosynthesis? The answer is oxygen. Which is the longest river in the world? The answer is the Nile River. Great job! Get ready for round 4. Unscramble the word. Let's begin. Unscramble this word. N-N-A-P-L-E-T. The answer is planet. Unscramble this word. R-E-T-A-W. The answer is water. Unscramble this word. A-D-N-A-A-C. The answer is Canada. Unscramble this word. R-A-M-E-C-A. The answer is camera. Unscramble this word. L-L-O-B-A-G. The answer is global. Great job! Get ready for the round 5 true or false. Let's begin. True or false, the sun is a star? The answer is true. True or false, humans have 3 lungs? The answer is false. True or false, sharks are mammals? The answer is false. True or false, lightning is hotter than the sun? The answer is true. True or false, the Great Wall of China is visible from space with the naked eye? The answer is false. You completed all 38 questions. Amazing job. Tell us your score in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more amazing quizzes. For even more fun, download our app QuizzyBits on the Play Store and App Store. See you in the next Mega Quiz.